Here we have the new 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. And this one comes in the EXL trim level. It comes in that beautiful platinum white, and the interior is black leather. And the powertrain consists of a 2-liter VTEC 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. And the transmission is going to be that CVT. And there's the front end there. You have your LED headlamps along with daytime running lights. And then down here you have your 17-inch aluminum wheels. And you have passive keyless entry on the front. And here you have the controls for your power door locks, windows, mirrors, as well as memory seats. Then your trunk hatch here. And here you have the controls for your safety features, your parking sensors. And there's your power driver's seat with power lumbar support. Let's check out the rear seat. So I am quite impressed. I'm 6'3", and the seat in front of me is adjusted for someone of my size, and I still have all this room back here in the back. Really, really impressive. And over here you have your AC vents, along with your USB charging ports, 2 of them back here. And there's a view of the front from the rear seat. And then the middle seat here, really nice. And then you have your cup holders. Let's check out the trunk space next. So for this to be a hybrid, really great trunk space. The battery isn't taking up a big chunk of the trunk, all that, so really great. And then if you can pull this, you can fold the seats down. And there's the rear there. You have your parking sensors here. As you can see, your backup camera, all that. But I love this platinum pearl paint color. And there's your passenger seat power. And just a really great refresh for this 21 Accord. Let's check out what's under the hood. So there's that 2-liter VTEC paired with that electric motor. There's a lot going on there. So let's hop in the driver's seat. So a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel here. Feels really nice. And over here. So as part of your infotainment system, you have your AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. But what's really great is you now have wireless Apple CarPlay along with Android Auto. And as you can see, it's displaying the Apple CarPlay, but no cords. So I'm really glad they did that. There's your backup camera there. And then you can look at your power flow with it being a hybrid setup. So that's really nice. And then you got your volume knob here, your tune knob, and then you can change the source from here. and then it'll pull everything up. And down here, you have your automatic dual zone climate controls. So fan speed, temperature, then 3-stage heated seats. And then down here, you have your wireless charging pad, a USB and a USB charging port there, along with a 12-volt. And I really like how they kept the charging pad like out of the way, and it's still a really nice size, and you can just stow it away if you want to. And as for your shifter, park, reverse, neutral, drive. And then you have your drive modes here. You can do economy, sport, or EV. And then you have your electronic parking brake, along with your brake hold, which you can toggle. And really nice center console space here. I like how they did that. With minimal space, you still have plenty of room and not an inch was wasted. And of course, you have your removable tray, and you can kind of inch that up as well. And here, of course, your power sunroof, which you can tilt or slide all the way back. And there's a view of the rear seat from up here. And that's your glove compartment. Pretty nice size. And then over here, you have your gauge cluster controls. So you can scroll through what you want to see, and we're going to leave it on fuel economy for now. And then you have your volume knobs, your track list. You can go back here, your Bluetooth controls. And then over here on the right side, you have your adaptive cruise, your lane centering, and then your gap adjust for your adaptive cruise control. And there's your push button start. And there's your key fob with remote start. So next it's time to take this new 21 Accord Hybrid out on the road for a test drive. So far, very maneuverable in this stop and go traffic I'm in. And when possible, the car goes into EV mode, which is really great for creeping through town. And that's why you're able to get 48 miles to the gallon in the city and on the highway with this thing. But of course, like with just about every new Accord I've driven, this is so far fantastic. And what I like most about these is even in economy mode, it puts out power perfectly without burning through fuel. And a lot of that has to do with the CVT. But just a great driving experience so far. Nothing surprising, but it's still just, it's so awesome. The ride quality is good. The car is just about silent. You hear most of the noise coming from the tires and this rough road I'm on. And even over these potholes, the ride is so good. And the lane keep assist is really good on here. And on top of that, the adaptive cruise control is just perfect. And I love how it's able to speed up to adjust for whatever gap you decide to set it on when you're changing while you're driving. And to get on the interstate, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into sport mode. We're gonna see what this thing can do. Wow. Really good acceleration, and you get a lot of that instant power due to the electric motor. And because it is an electric powertrain, just like in the Teslas, when you give it gas, it's ready for you. And you're getting a combined 212 horsepower. But everything is super impressive with the new 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid EXL.